I mean, it's giving rich auntie vibes, like awala nile ekuombe get. Hi guys. So today is the day for my birthday photo shoot, and I am here prepping.
Why are you doing prepping? You not put the in front of you. Now leave the
I'm prepping, you guys. You can see my makeup artist is here. Say hello. With a baby. So we are all here. We are prepping. I mean, this year is a solid year, and I have my photographer here with me. the one and only YouTuber. So we're going to be doing all this, and you guys are going to be seeing me. Trust me, food is always in my hand. You guys, don't worry. I'm going to be beautiful as always. You know the drill. So see you guys. Okay.
Nothing when I pour, not when I have relationship.
YouTube content.
When your client is talking while making up, it's just to pull her hair and put her on the floor.
But show one for me last year, no.
Which concealer is this one? That one on my own.
Oh, for me last year. What for me not doing to
When the celebrant is owing money.
Celebrant, we need to focus. Keep for me, you focus. Keep for.
Everyone, it's my birthday. So you guys, just take a look at me. Is it giving, guys? Is it giving? I mean, let me just switch this to the back side, you guys, and then you guys can see what I look like in the camera, okay? You guys, I look amazing, and this fit is actually from Ote and Sassy Styling. My girl did a good job. I mean, she did a pretty good job. So you guys, this is outfit 2, and I don't know about you guys, but this is really giving. I mean, Ote and Sassy Styling. I mean, just look at the puff. So pretty. So damn pretty. Pretty is the name, okay? And it's so demure. Okay, let me show you guys the full outfit. Let me show you. See? Whew. Okay, now let's turn to the camera. Here is what we have. Okay, can you guys see this? It's so demure. Here is the traditional fit I got from my mama. I got this fit from my mother. I am a child of the Almighty.
Ẹjọ́ kí ló tó jẹ́ mirror lẹ́ wò.